So it is Sunday, July 2nd, 2023, just before 11 o'clock in the morning. Weighed anchor not quite a half an hour ago probably. It weighs, I think about 88, 90 pounds, somewhere in that range. Sorry, I didn't get you laughing at my dumb joke.
I was laughing.
I know, that's why I said I didn't get you laughing. As in on camera, so anyway. Spent a couple of nights anchored at Boyne City. It was partly what I expected, but we got there Friday evening. Apparently it's something they do every Friday this time of the year. The town was an absolute zoo, and we thought we'd really messed up. But much quieter yesterday, much more pleasant. Not a lot to do there. Probably wouldn't make the trip all the way down the lake again to do that, so I'm glad we did it while we were already here. We can scratch that out of the curiosity column. And we're going to, other than out on the big lake, we have no idea where we're going today. We don't know if we'll cross the lake for maybe Green Bay, a destination over there, or something on Grand Traverse Bay, knowing that we'll probably be returning to Charlevoix for some work on the alternator within a week. We motored out of Lake Charlevoix this morning, and we are lazily sailing along at the mouth of Grand Traverse Bay. Michelle decided she'd rather see Suttons Bay than sail across the lake. Turned out to be a nicer sail than we expected. Thought it was going to be all downwind. It's more of a beam or broad reach, although light winds. There's Michi. Say hey, Michi.
Michi.
So we're in the mouth of Grand Traverse Bay. Michelle decided she wanted to go to Suttons Bay. We had the option of crossing the lake or something on Traverse Bay, Grand Traverse Bay. That's what she picked.
So I'm the guilty one.
Yeah, actually it's been a nicer sail than I anticipated. It looked like it was going to be running before the wind and fairly light breezes, all that noise and frustration. But the wind backed a little bit, and we've been on a beam reach to a broad reach most of the time after we rounded the point up there. Put the wind a little further abaft. We were actually kind of on a close reach for a little while, which was really nice.
Four knots plus.
Yeah, it's been bouncing around. Current wind has been anywhere from 6 to 8 knots. And speed over the ground is in the high 3s, low to mid 4s, and over 6 knots for a little while.
We'll take it.
Take anything I can get. And we motored all the way up Lake Charlevoix. The winds were supposed to be out of the northeast today, at least as we were leaving there, and they were actually out of the northwest, so we motored right into the headwind all the way. Just made the 12:30 opening of the bridge in Charlevoix. and didn't film anything because it's pretty routine. View was a lot better today. I mean, we actually got to see Lake Charlevoix. It was pretty smoky the other day when we went down, and so the shoreline was pretty hazy. Couldn't make out a lot of detail. It was a lot nicer today. The lake seemed busier today. It seemed like there was a lot more boat traffic even mid-lake. The other day coming down, it died down once you got away from Charlevoix, and didn't pick up again until we got close to Harbor Springs.
Boyne City.
Or, excuse me, yep. Gee, I could be president. Yeah, until we got to Boyne City, close to Boyne City. So, yeah, Boyne City, cute little town.
Don't go there on a Friday unless you like a lot of people.
Yeah, we can say we've been there and we've done that. Not a lot there. I guess there's a ski area there. You can see a swath cut out of the hillside. I guess what they consider a ski area in Michigan. So, anyway, pleasant little stop. Glad to be back out on the lake and do a little bit of sailing. Afraid we have some more maintenance issues that may be showing their ugly heads. So, shit.
Never ending.
Yeah. Sure looking forward to getting a new boat.
Sorry, my love.
In the end, we'll be better off. Maybe. I hope. Repair bills are starting to rack up.
I get that, but this is a beautiful boat.
Yes, it is. But we are a long way away from the water in this thing. Holy cow. I can't even tell I'm on a sailboat sometimes.
It's good you're getting this because you're going to be really sad if it's going to be a year.
This is going to get me through the winter. Watching it over and over and over again. running, and you can see there aren't any sails up. Another ignominious end to our day of sailing. The wind veered, died, and finally had to haul in the jib. And we're making a paltry 3 to 3.5 knots with roughly 7 or 8 miles to go. We thought, well, we would slog it out another 2.5 hours under sail, or furl the sails and get there in an hour under the engine. Pretty obvious what we decided to do.